Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Football Scout. In today's video we will cover Premier League match Manchester United versus Bournemouth. Let's start with the current team position. So as you can see, Manchester United, they are currently at position 5th, and Bournemouth, they are at the bottom of the table at position 19. They are in the relegation zone. Manchester United, they have 52 points, and Bournemouth, they are at 27 points. As per the league table, Manchester United are clear favourite to win this match. And even Manchester United, they have an home advantage. This match will be played at Manchester United home. Now let's look at Manchester United's probable lineup. Manchester United, they will play today 4-3-3 formation. Generally they go for 4-2-3-1 formation, but the two midfielders Paul Pogba and Bruno Fernandes, they are out injured. They are unlikely to start today, so they will change the formation and play 4-3-3. David De Gea will be the goalkeeper. Four defenders will be Luke Shaw, Maguire, Lindelof and Wan-Bissaka. Left back and right back, they are great options. That is Luke Shaw and Wan-Bissaka. Wan-Bissaka, he can also provide you with assists as he is a decent attacking option. Three midfielders will be Fred, Matic and McTominay. Fred will play as left midfielder and McTominay as right midfielder. Matic, he will play as centre midfielder. Don't expect much from Matic as he plays more defensively. Rashford, Mason Greenwood and Martial will be the three forwards. Rashford will play as a left forward and Greenwood as right, and the centre forward will be Martial. In absence of Bruno Fernandes, there are high chances that Rashford, he will take penalties. So for today's match, Rashford becomes an important player. Mason Greenwood, he can be a punt pick. Even in last match, he scored a goal against Brighton. Manchester United won 3-0 against Brighton. In that match, Mason Greenwood scored a goal, and Bruno Fernandes with a brace. Rashford and Martial, they are inconsistent, but in absence of Pogba and Fernandes, they become the key player. If United wants to win today, then these two players have to produce something. Now let's see Manchester United statistics. Martial with 14 goals and 3 assists. Rashford with 14 goals and 6 assists. Greenwood with 6 goals and 1 assist. Rashford and Martial must pick in your small league teams. In Grand League, you can captain Mason Greenwood as he has scored 6 goals and provided with 1 assist. McTominay with 4 goals and 1 assist. Wan-Bissaka with 4 assists. That's it. Now let's see Bournemouth probable lineup. Bournemouth, they will play 4-5-1 formation. Generally they play 4-4-2 formation, but Callum Wilson, he is suspended for this match, so they will opt for 4-5-1 formation. Ramsdale will be their goalkeeper. 4 defenders will be Smith, Mepham, AK and Stacey. AK provided with an assist in the last match against Newcastle. The only goal scored by Bournemouth was by Gosling, who came as a substitute. 5 midfielders will be Brooks, Cook, Lerma, Gosling and Stanalsis. Brooks, Cook and Gosling played well against Newcastle, so I think they will start today. Brooks, he took a very nice strike which hit the post. He was unlucky not to score. And Gosling, he scored a goal against his former team Newcastle United. Joshua King will be their centre forward. Now let's see Bournemouth statistics. Callum Wilson, he will miss this match. Harry Wilson is doubtful. Joshua King will start with 4 goals and 2 assists. Gosling with 3 goals and 1 assist. AK with 2 goals and 2 assists. He is also a decent option. The defender Stacey with 2 assists. Smith with 1 assist. Lerma with 1 goal and 2 assists. Mefim with 1 goal. That's it. Now let's look at some match facts. Manchester United, they are undefeated in the last 15 matches. Currently they are at the best form. Another fact is that Manchester United, they have kept a clean sheet in 6 of the last 8 matches. So in 8 matches they have kept clean sheet in 6 matches. Manchester United, they have won the last 3 home matches, and after pandemic break, Bournemouth, they played 3 matches and are winless. They suffered defeat against Newcastle, Crystal Palace and Watford. Last match they played against Newcastle United, they were completely outplayed and they suffered a 4-1 loss. A very poor performance from Bournemouth. The only goal came at 93 minutes by the substitute Gosling, and another chance was created by Brooks. That's it, nothing else. My verdict: Manchester United, they are only 2 points behind Chelsea in a race for top 4 to qualify for Champions League. Win today will take them to 4th position. A major loss for United is that their key creative players Bruno Fernandes and Paul Pogba are out injured. That's the reason I am expecting a low scoring match, because I have already told you Rashford and Martial, they are inconsistent. On their day they can score a brace or a hat trick, otherwise they can be without a goal. Bournemouth today will play defensively. They will play on a counter attack, and even Manchester United, they will also play on counter attack mostly. Bournemouth, they have a very poor form. If they get a point today, then it would be a very surprising result. My prediction is a Manchester United 1, Bournemouth 0, and even a 2-0 or 2-1 sort of scoreline is possible. So this is my small league team with a scoreline of 1-0. My goalkeeper is Ramsdale, and defense I have picked whole Manchester United defense: Wan-Bissaka, Lindelof, Maguire and Luke Shaw. Wan-Bissaka is a great attacking option as he can provide you with assists. 3 midfielders are McTominay, Brooks, Gosling. Brooks and Gosling played really well against Newcastle in their last match. That's the reason I'm picking them. Other decent options are Lerma and Cook. You can pick them as well. 3 forwards are Joshua King, Martial and Rashford. Vice captain Rashford, as he will be on penalties. You can even vice captain Martial. If you want to take a risk, you can drop Martial and pick Mason Greenwood and vice captain him. He is also a decent option. So this is my second team with a scoreline of 2-0. Again, I have picked whole Manchester United defense. In midfield, I have picked Fred. You can also go for McTominay. I have picked Brooks and Stanalses. You can also go for Lerma or Cook. My 3 forwards are Rashford, Martial and Joshua King. Again, you can drop Martial or Rashford and pick Mason Greenwood if you want to take a risk. Captain for this match is Rashford and my vice captain is Martial. That's it guys. Hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching.